Ba. Ba. Good morning. Let's take this off. Oi, good morning. Good morning. Guess what? Ate Holly's staying here today. Yeah, you like that? Does that make you happy? Sus, akong bungis-ngis na hindi. Bungit-ngit, India, bungit-ngit. Is it out yet? Is the teeth out yet? Haley. Haley. Mommy, turn off the white noise, okay? Go to the door. Say hi to her. Can you hear Kuya? Kuya's giggling. Kuya's happy. Let's go. I'm gonna go downstairs. See everyone. Hey, you wanna go downstairs? Yeah, come to mama. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come to mama. Oh.
Wala na.
Ano wala na?
Hindi na naman alam na siya. Hindi nag-o-on.
Shh. Gamitin mo muna yung old ko.
Hindi na okay.
India, India, peekaboo, 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 India, peekaboo, India, India, India. I'll just feed her first and then I'll make you guys this pancake. Because her last feed was 3 in the morning. And it's already 9. Alas 9 na. Good morning, boy. Naghihintay ng pancake yung mga bata. Si Holly iniwan dito. Kasi ang tsaka ng weather, umuulan-ulan. The weather was horrible yesterday, was it? Like really bad.
Yeah, and then the guy was nearly flooded.
Oh gosh. Ang pancake, ang kids. Ito yung pancake na masarap from the Korean shop. Hot cake mix. Yung ilalagay lang ata dito, itlog lang at saka milk. Put 2 eggs in a bowl. Add 400 ml of milk. And 500 grams. Okay. Ang dami naman ng 500 grams. Kunti lang naman. So, isang egg lang. Tapos, itansya-tansya lang natin. Masarap to. Mas masarap kaysa dun sa pancake mix na nabibili sa Coles at Woolies. Sure.
Did you put egg?
Not yet.
Can I put egg there?
Oh my gosh, that smells good.
Can I smell it?
Careful, careful.
Can I smell it?
Yes, ma'am. Pancake mix. Smells good, no?
I see something.
You wanna smell too? Alright. Okay.
I see
We should stay up. No, no, no. Okay, down, down, down. Down, 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 down. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Go down. Go down, please, please. Not
Yes, I
safe.
got Holly. Mom, I'm not holding her.
So, ito, itansya
Can
ko
I
lang.
crack it?
No, no, no. I'm cracking egg because there's 3 of you and there's only 1 egg.
Not trying. Not trying. Holly, no. You're not big.
Who's gonna eat a lot of pancakes today?
Me.
Oh, wow.
Holly! I'm not gonna eat the half and not cut. And yes, that mother. What?
Let's start making pancake.
And now sauce in it.
No sauce for you. Meron din pala akong nilabas na munggo kagabi. Sinusoak ko lang yan siya sa tubig para hindi na siya sobrang tagal ipaboil. So that's our dinner mamaya. Timing kasi kumakain din naman daw si Holly niyan. Ngayon ko lang kasi nalaman, ngayong morning lang na magpapaiwan pala si Inday. Hindi nila sinabi kagabi. Okay lang naman. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, iwan yung bata kasi ang tsaka ng weather, kawawa. Tapos magdamag sila dun. Ay, kailangan kong linisin yung aming Exhaust. Kailangan ko siyang i-deep clean. So, tatanggalin ko talaga siya because it looks disgusting right now, guys. It's very greasy. It looks yuck. It looks yuck. So, kailangan ko munang i-research paano to siya linisin ng ayos. Kasi ayaw naman natin siyang sirain. Kaya it looks disgusting. Hi! Ito pala yung dishwasher. Ay, ang bango niya, guys. Ang bango niya. You need help, ate?
Yeah. Mom, I have a big.
Do you want me to cut it for you? Alright, I'll do it.
I don't have a knife.
No, yours is already cut. You don't need a knife. Yeah, I'll do it. Babe.
Mom, my still cut.
Oh, you're doing great. Well done. Here, I'll cut it all.
Wormy. I love you, wormy.
Good job. Well done, Ellie. There's more there, guys. If you need more, just let me know.
Yeah, Mom. Okay. Is there more pancakes?
There's more pancakes, yes.
Oh.
So, yung dalawa may syrup. Ito wala. You don't want maple syrup, do you, Matt?
I like it.
You like it like that, yes.
My food. It's all down.
Oh no, eat it. Oh, good boy.
Yummy.
Good job. You alright, Holly? Do you need help, Bob? No? Ah, you're cutting it into triangles. Nice. Good job, Alo. Good job eating strawberries too, Alo. The sun is out, but ground is still wet kasi grabe yung ulan kaninang madaling araw and the wind was crazy too. Did you hear the wind, Holly? Last night? It was really bad, hey. Mga 11, 12, sumilip kami sa glass kasi sobrang lakas, yeah.
When I went to bed last night, my dad said he saw a lightning.
Yeah, there was lightning. I saw that too.
My mom said he saw one that.
Yeah, lightning, yeah. Hello. Yeah, my love. Did you poo? Let me check. Did you poo-poo chocolate or not poo-poo chocolate? Did you poo-poo chocolate?
Let me check. Let me check.
No, you did not. You did not. I love you. Wait, wait. Oh, that's my phone. Pangalawa na to ni Holly, oh. On the pancake, babe?
Yes, please. No, not more in the wine. Not in mine.
How about you, Ayla? Do you want me to put more of this on your pancakes? Si Ayla din, pangalawa na
Not more in the mommy, not more.
Not you.
Mommy, I have a middle bit.
On the side?
Not in the paper.
On the pancake.
And mommy, why do it there? Mommy.
You want more strawberries, Ayla?
Yeah. I have strawberry pancake. Holly, look. Mommy, look. I got strawberry pancake.
Oh, wow.
I'm not eating the strawberry pancake. Many.
Many.
They're not many.
That's many. Finish all that first. I'll give you more. See, that's many. That is so many. You have to finish your pancake too, okay? Do you eat mongo? Mung beans?
What's that?
Yes, I'll show you. I don't know if you know what it looks like once it's cooked. This.
Sure, I'll have some.
That's pretty good.
Oh, that's good. Oh, see the pancake first.
It's magic beans, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mommy, when we cook it, will it grow big?
Yeah.
Yes, say.
Mm. Is that Holly? I'm watching. Go. Oops, careful. Good job, Ayla. How about you? Oh. And how about you? How about you? Everyone's showing off. Are they all showing off? Hey. Yes?
Do you have any talent?
What's your talent? Show your vampire. Be a vampire. Be a vampire. Oopsie. Let me know if she's getting heavy, ate. I can take her. Hello! Kakagising niya lang from her nap. Yeah? It's lunchtime. Perfect timing.
Watch out, Mama.
Okay. Hurry up. So I can take Indy. Indy wants me to hold her. Hello, India. Oh, no. Beautiful Indy. Oh, bobbers. All right, come on. Lunch. Oh, yum. Did you dance? Did you dance? Shimmy. There she goes. Say, watch my Facebook, guys. Yeah? Did you dance? Nag-TikTok kami ng mga bata. Ang cute. Ang cute ng mga bata. Ay! Uy, agoy naman. Talagang samans. Ano na, Indy? Ano na? Sorry. Mommy has to wipe. Ready? Good job. Yes. Sus, kabuyag ni mo, Inday, ay? You like Mommy's food? You like this food? You like it? Uh-oh. There she goes. Huh? Takla man. Takla man ako, Ginday. Sige na. After nito, patulogin na natin tong Inday natin. She is extra clingy, extra grumpy. Kasi may palabas siyang pangil. May palabas na pangil dalawa. No? Uy, agoy. No? Ay, suka mama. Sus, may naghihintay pang hugasin si mama. Na? Dishes is waiting for mommy. Ayaw niya magpaiwan eh. Ayaw mo magpaiwan, no? Come on. Tapos yung nap niya, ang ikli lang. Good job. Good girl. Alright, you can play with the spoon. You want spoon? Alright. Are you gonna play for a little bit?
I'm gonna fight me.
He's gonna fight you?
Yeah. You don't slap me.
No, okay.
Not
Yeah.
you.
Don't slap. No.
I said.
I don't do that, Alo. That will hurt you. Sakit ng katawan ko, babe. Sakit na ng katawan ni mami kakakarga. Tingnan mo siya. Gusto niya umalis. Come on. Sus ka ba yan? Napatulog ko na si Indy. Tingnan niyo itong tatlong to.
Finding my cat the
Huh?
black one. Can you tie my hair?
Yep.
The ponytail, you please.
Yep. What are you guys doing?
You're
You've
playing
got
games.
guns. You got...
You're playing games.
And you change your clothes again. Where's the old clothes?
Wait. bedroom.
You gotta put it in the basket, you know. You know that.
No, we're not.
What not?
We...
You look good, mate.
I'm Dawson's.
Alright, come on. She's looking for her headband na black. Para maging siya, cat lady. Is that the right way, baby? I don't think that's the right way. I think this should be at the back.
No, you got the tag.
Is there a tag? No, there's no tag.
Then it can be in both sides.
You should have just put a jumper on. Dami na nating labahin, Day.
Mama, I have my clothes on.
Mommy's laundry is too much. Too much because you change all the time. You change from your pajamas already? That should be enough. There you go.
Look.
I know, I'm tired. I want to take a nap.
Look.
But I can't.
Why?
Because you guys are here.
I'm not laughing at them.
I should be looking after you three. Ayla, put the textures back, please. Pakakalat. Put it back, ate. Messy. Kalat is messy. Help Arlo, okay? Yung dishes ko naghihintay pa din sa akin. Mag-ano lang ako. Magluto ako ng turon para makasnack tong mga to. So, ito lang yung ginawa ko kahapon. Nilagyan ko lang siyang sugar. Tapos oil. Oil na lang muna ta sugar. Sana matulog si Indy ng matagal. Maawa ka naman sa akin, Inday. Alright, painitin ko lang to, tapos ilagay natin yung turon. Kunti lang muna lutuin ko kasi hindi ko alam kung makakakain ng isang turon yung mga batang yan. Alright, ready? Ready to try? You like? Yummy? Guys, do you want to try?
Not yet.
Not yet? It is hot, yeah. What? You don't like it? You don't like it? Alright, spit it out here in the bin. Come to mama. Ayaw niya. Apat lang yung niluto ko eh. What are you singing, Alo? Kanina pa siya kanta ng kanta at nagkakalat. Santa? Oy, Arlo. Stop that now. Masaya yung dalawa doon nagdo-drawing, oh. Ubus na naman tong papel ni Daddy naman talaga. Sorry?
It's like the camera when you see anyone's coming in.
You wanna see the camera? Why?
See, teach the drums on.
I don't think he's outside. They're gonna have dinner out again.
Now.
Not now. May dinner din pala sila manay sa labas. So, kami lang dinner dito. Mag-aano ako munggo. Is Daddy still working? Unahin ko tong fork para masalang ko na. Tapos maya na yung iba. It's okay, Indy. Just wait, bubbers.
this is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw.
Ginamit ko lang yung skin, guys. Tapos mamaya tatanggalin ko yan, i-discard ko yan. Kuha lang ako ng oil konti. Nilagay ko na pala yung pork. Tinanggal ko na din yung skin ng baboy. And hintayin lang natin na mag-brown yan. Ilagay tayo vegeta. Pampalasa. And then pepper. Lagay ko na guys yung garlic and onion. Ang bango. Lutuin ko lang tong pork. Tapos ilalagay ko yung munggo. So ganito yung proseso ko kasi yung munggo ko hindi na siya ganun katagal papakuluan kasi sinuko na yan siya. Kagabi ko pa yan sinuk. And ayan na, malaki na nga siya, parang doble na yung size niya. So hindi siya matagal pakuluan, lalambot yan ang hindi ganun katagal mamaya. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita. Ayan, oh. Ang sarap na niya tingnan guys. Lagay ko na yung munggo with the tubig. So yung munggo, malalaki na siya. Ay, ang dami nito. Okay lang. Ay, ang dami nito. Tagdagan ko pa ito. Lagyan ko chicken powder. Tapos mamaya titikman natin kung may kulang pa. Hintayin lang natin kumulo. Tapos takpan ko to. Spoiled by Ate Holly. Hey, look at you, relaxing, watching TV. Oh my god. Oh, is that mess? What is that? Indy, are you having fun? Oh my love. Are you having fun? Oh, you tired? Luto na guys. Lagay ko na yung ating spinach. Ubusin ko na tong isang bag ng spinach. Ang dami nito. Napakadami nito. Pero kukunti ito. Masarap sana dito yung alugbating. But this is good too. Sagdagan ko lang asin. And this is done. Yung mga bata kumakain na. Longganisa yung kanilang ulam. Pero kapag nakaupo ako doon at kumakain, lalapit din yun at magpapasuko. O yeah, alis na yan sila bukas. Which butcher are you going tomorrow, my love? Okay. Kuryabuyag, ang sarap ng ulam ko na naman. Munggo na maraming spinach. Luto na to guys, naka-off na yung apoy. Kain tayo. Oh, you're finished. Good job. Kain tayo guys. Tapos na sila kumain lahat. Ako yung pinaka-last. May mga natirang mga sausage dito, oh. Sarap nitong sausage from ano. Masarap din to i-ano lagi sa munggo, no? Do you want magic beans, Alo? Come here. I'll feed you magic beans. So, bye-bye na. Say goodbye to Kuya Zach.
Goodbye, Koyaza.
Asan na ba siya?
Nasa ano kay Dudong?
He's in the other lounge. Say goodbye. You might not see him tomorrow. Good night. Hindi, say good night to Kuya. Si Hindi. Ay, galit na naman siya.